Eighth question. They gave that in the given figure, O is the interior of the triangle ABC in such a way that OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. Then we should show these two conditions. So coming to the proof. So given that let ABC be any triangle and O is the interior of the triangle, and in such a way that OD, OE and OF are the perpendiculars to BC, AC and AB respectively. This is what they gave, and they are asking us to prove that OA square plus OB square, this is the first condition what they asked, and the second one is that we should show that AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now see, these two conditions we should prove. So in order to prove that, if you observe this, OA square, OB square plus OC square. So here in the construction we have to join this OA, OB and OC. That is the construction. So let us write the construction. Join OA, OB and OC. So join OA, OB and OC. Now coming to the proof of the first one. So here what they gave, AF square, BD square and CE square. So we have to consider the right angle triangles in such a way that we should get AF square, BD square and CF square, CE square. So for that we should consider this triangle where AF is there, BD is there and CE is there. So let us consider these two triangles and we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So consider triangle AFO. In that angle F is 90 degrees. Why it is 90 degrees? Because OF is perpendicular to AB. So we can make use of the Pythagoras theorem. Since one of its angle is 90 degrees, we can make use of the Pythagoras theorem. So we will be getting, so this is 90 degrees. So the angle opposite, the side opposite to the right angle will be the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem what you can say, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is OA square equals to AF square plus OF square. So let it be equation 1. Similarly, if I consider the triangle BDO. In that triangle, angle D is 90 degrees. Since OD is perpendicular to BC, so what you are having, this is 90 degrees. We consider this triangle. So the square of the hypotenuse, that is OB square equals to, by making use of the Pythagoras theorem, we will be getting OB square equals to OD square plus BD square. So let it be equation 2. Now coming to the third triangle, consider the triangle CEO. In that angle E is 90 degrees. So by making use of the Pythagoras theorem again, why it is 90 degrees? Since OE is perpendicular to AC that they had given. So that's why this is 90 degrees. Because it is 90 degrees, we can make use of the Pythagoras theorem. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, what you will be having? OC square equals to OE square plus CE square. So let it be equation 3. Now adding 1, 2 and 3. That means we should add the LHS as well as, which is equal to the sum of the RHS parts. That is OA square plus OB square plus OC square equals to what you will be getting? AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. Now if you observe this, just keep this AF square, BD square and CE square on the same side and transpose this OF square, OD square and OE square to the other side. So what you will be having? OA square plus OB square plus OC square plus OF square. When it comes to this side, it will become minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square equals to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. So this is the proof for the first one. Now coming to the second one, what they are asking us to prove? We have to prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So in order to prove this, we will make use of the first part what we have proved. So from the part 1, from 1, what we got? AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. Now we will make use of the pairs. So what we should prove? Actually we have to prove that AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So we will make these as the pairs. That is OA square minus OE square. So I am writing side to next. That is OA square minus OE square plus similarly we will be having OC square minus OD square plus OF square, OB square minus OF square. See here, just I wrote like this next to next, which I am making the pair. OA square minus OE square, similarly OC square minus OD square and OB square minus OF square. So OA square minus OE square, if you observe this, OA square minus OE square. Suppose if I consider this as a right angle triangle, I will be getting OA square minus OE square is nothing but AE square. So that is AE square plus similarly OC square minus OD square. So if I consider this triangle, by applying Pythagoras theorem, OC square equals to OB square, OD square plus CD square. So from this you will be getting CD square can be written as OC square minus OD square. So this is CD square and the last one it is BF square. Hence the proof. Now coming to the 9th question. So what is the 9th question they gave? A ladder 10 meters long reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So let us draw the diagram for that. So what they gave? There is a ladder. So let us take AC as the ladder and AB is the wall. And they gave the measurement of the ladder as AC as 10 meters and AB as means the length of the wall is 8 meters. And they are asking us to find out what is this BC. So this they gave it as 10 meters and this they gave it as 8 meters. So the ladder is placed like this for the, what is this, for the wall. So the wall will be, actually if I consider this as the base, this will make 90 degrees with the ground. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, what is the proof for this? We will consider the triangle. Consider triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degrees. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, what you are having? AC square can be written as AB square plus BC square. So that is AC square is 10 square equals to 8 square plus BC square. So 10 square we know that 10 into 10 it is 100. 8 square is 8 8 is 64 plus BC square. So which implies that BC square can be written as plus 64. When it goes to the other side, it will become minus 64. So 100 minus 64 means 10 minus 4 it is 6. 9 minus 6 it is 3. So 36 we got. So BC can be written as plus or minus square root of 36. As distance can never be a negative quantity, so plus you have to consider. So BC equals to plus root of 36 is 6. So what you got? The distance from the ladder to this pole, to this wall is 6 meters. So BC is of 6 meters. Now coming to the next question. 10th one, what they gave, a guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters is 24 meters long. So there is a long rope which is tensioned wire, you can say that. So that is what they gave. Let us write the given. So they gave that a vertical pole is there. So given that AB you consider as the pole and AC as that wire. So they gave the measurement of AB as how much? AB they gave it as 18 meters and AC the length of the wire is 24 meters, and they are asking you to find out how far from the base of the pole should how far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be taut, means so that the wire it won't be loosened, they are saying. So how long from this pole the distance the wire is to be fixed. So for that we should calculate what is this BC. So in order to calculate that, again making use of the Pythagoras theorem, so what you should find out what is the value of BC. So for that, consider triangle ABC. So angle B will be 90 degrees as the pole is placed perpendicular to the ground. So these two will be perpendicular to each other. So angle B is 90 degrees. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, as one of its angle is 90 degrees, we can make use of the Pythagoras theorem. So what you will be getting? AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is 24 square equals to 18 square plus BC square. 24 square is 24 into 24, it is 576. So 18 square, 18 18 0, 8 8 0, 64, 8 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 1 8 8, 1 4 1 8 8, 1 1, so 4 12, 324. 324 plus BC square. So BC square will be equals to 576 minus 324. How much it is? 2. 7 minus 2 it is 5. So here 252. So BC equals to plus or minus you will be getting, but the distance will be always a positive quantity. You have to consider the positive thing, that is square root of 252. So square root of 252, 4 will go in this, 4 6 are 24, 4 3s 7 9s are. So this can be written as 4 into 7 into 9. For 4 what is the square root? 2. For 9 it is 3. So 6 root 7 meters. So the distance is 6 root 7 meters.